What's up, everybody? This is Crazy Cross Divine, and we're getting to eat what we made earlier. It's a cheeseburger wrap breakfast sandwich, pretty much, for people that are busy. It takes about 15 minutes to make, give or take, probably less if you don't have to. Like, I can only have one electronic thing going at once, so I couldn't preheat my air fryer while the microwave was going, or it would blow out the fuse. But if you don't have that problem, then you should be fine. It's got pickles, relish, French fried onions, an egg, and provolone cheese. And the burger is cooked perfect. 3 minutes on each side in a hot skillet from frozen. And people said that you can't cook burgers straight frozen, you had to thaw them first. And then I stuck it in the air fryer, 300 for 5 minutes. And that's just the crispest up, so it's easy to hold. It's so good. And what I plan on doing later is using M. Dickey's Infinite Lives to get some pictures and stuff for my comic. And I guess my comic can be digital because I can't draw. I can sketch things, but I can't draw and actually have things look good. But I have ideas and I want them out, especially out of my head. So that's the plan for today. I have my coffee. I'm having my breakfast sandwich. And that's the plan. These videos will go up before that because that'll take a little bit longer. Because I gotta narrate it. I have to get all the shots, put everything together, and it won't be like a comic. It'll have still images, and then it'll have like a bunch of animation and still images where I need still images and where I need the animation or where I can use the animation. I have everything planned out in my head. I just doing the keyframes pretty much is what a comic is. Just doing key areas. But since I can't draw, I'm just gonna do everything digitally. And it's called The Warped Hat. And it's about a detective solving a crime. And it's a supernatural, so who knows how it'll end. Because right now, I only have the first 8 pages in the cover, but so yeah, that's the goal for today. Or I'm gonna sit back and just play Skyrim, and I won't record that. So let's hope I'm productive. I got my Dragon Ball Z hat. Got that from Walmart. I think it was either 12 or 24. I can't remember the exact number. I mean, I don't buy myself much things. So I treated myself, but this was about maybe a year old. I treated myself back then. Now I have no money. Coolant pump just went up on the car, so that's about $400 something to get the part, and then another $300 to labor to replace it. So right now the car don't move because when I got it home it was smoking. So I gotta tow it, so that's another $50 to $100 just to tow it down the street. Hopefully they won't charge me that much just to tow it down the street, because I gotta take it to Bob Bell or Ford place, and it's literally just down the street. I could walk there in my previous life. Not now. My legs and my knees couldn't handle it, but when I was 19, I'd be able to walk it. And I chose a wrap instead of burger ones because I don't need all that bread. And I think the wrap was a healthier option than having bread that really is just empty calories because I'm not going to do that much besides walk up and down the stairs. $8 passed. That means it's a good video to upload. Possible monetization if I could get the subscribers up. So, with that said, like, subscribe, leave a comment. It was a delicious burger. Again, 15-minute meal. I'm probably do another dinner meal, probably rice and burger. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week. And hopefully come back on Friday to see, I think we're doing skinwalkers. So, scary skinwalker shit. Cross out.